So before I get into all of today's vlog, real quick, I want to give a shout out to my boy Steve, aka Quaker CLM. Hooked me up with a full aluminum radiator for the Integra. I know this cap's a little crusty, but it's clean in there. Quaker, I appreciate you. By the way, Quaker actually just moved right across the street from me. He has a turnkey 9-second car right now for sale, and it is a full-blown race car. So if you want it, either DM me, I will put his name down in the description below so you could follow him, DM him if you really want the car. If you want a quicker answer, DM me. I don't know too much about the car, but I can get you more information. I live right across the street from him. All I gotta do is walk, and I'm at his house. Maybe one day I will ask him to see if he wants to do a vlog on the car, see if he wants to put it together and show that it's a turnkey, ready to go 9-second car. But we need a couple things. I know we need gas. We're probably gonna have to put E85 in it. We gotta put on the piping. Maybe little stuff we gotta do to get the car, just to turn the key and start the car. And he also has an EK hatch that he's building. I'm not gonna say what's going in it, but that car is going to be a problem. Actually, I'm gonna hit him up. Maybe we'll do a vlog over there one day. But let's get started on today's vlog. What is up? It's your boy Thatkidj with another vlog, and we are going to work on this thing. Finally put this thing back to stock. I still got parts to put together. I got to put the subframe up. The transmission is already up. The motor leaning. And I got bolts in the way. I got this dusty transmission in the way from another car that I did at work. And then I got this beat up shit. Yo, these Steelies come in handy. I don't care what y'all say. Whenever you need something, like, you gotta put the subframe on it and try to, like, you know, you gotta do stuff on the floor, you gotta put something on it, or you gotta put a motor on it. Yo, these Steelies, I don't care what anybody say. Sometimes I don't be throwing these shits out. But this one gotta go. This don't look good. This shit looks sick. Alright, but anyway, welcome back to the channel. All that sound in the back, I'm actually I'm catching up on a couple of Phil's vlogs. Check him out. This dude is actually dope. I actually know him in person. I used to live around the corner from him. I used to see his blue 9th gen that his blue 8th gen that he built, and I guess he's doing another one. He might be giving this one away, so make sure y'all stay tuned to this one. So, yeah. Anyway, before we start today's vlog, I am hungry. I'm like starving. Fucking chips or some shit. Alright, now back to work. Damn, I kinda gotta take a shit. Alright, so anyway, I gotta put the jack stand under here so I can force the motor up and put in my bolts for my hashboard mounts. You know what I mean? Remind you guys, this car is going up for sale.
This is a Thatkidj production.
Make sure I hit up NPC Motorsports for these nice dress-up bolts. I had a couple on here. I had one in the in my hashboard mount, one on the trans side. I have one. No, I actually have two on. I had two on the driver's side, but I actually took them out because I think I did a test on my Integra with the gold ones. I wanted to see how the gold ones will look, but I got a different color. I went with bronze for the Integra, and with the new color that I'm coming out with, I think the bronze would still look good on the Integra with the new color I'm coming out with. But I had gold on the SI. But hit up MPC Motorsports. Definitely get your engines bay dressed up for this season. Because this season, a lot of people's coming crazy. A lot of people. Alright, back to it. So I'm gonna call it quits right here. Not that I ran into issues or anything. It's just that I don't have fluid for the trans right now. So I mean, I guess that's an issue. But I can get it from my parts department when we open tomorrow. So I got everything mainly done. I just gotta put the 2 bolts on the top, and then yeah, put my shift linkage in. Go put my shifter in. Clutch slave cylinder, put my linkage on, and the car is ready to start. Mind you, start to say I'm selling it with this nice buddy club steering wheel. I'm not gonna lie to you, I just have to sit in my car, and I actually sat here for like 10 minutes just smiling inside the SI because I'm gonna miss this thing when it's gone. But I'm gonna try to drive it tomorrow, so yeah, batteries in the front. I actually did this custom thing myself. This is actually for sale. This is an AEM water to meth kit. It only needs a controller, but this is a version 2. Version 2s are only for cars that are boosted. So any cars that's boosted, you have to be boosted to run that AEM water to meth kit. So I was actually thinking about putting on a Stinger, but I don't want to touch this thing. This thing is beautiful. I really don't want to touch it. I mean, I can, but I don't want to. And I still got vlogs going on there in the back. This is what I do at work. I just set my laptop up and just watch all my people's vlogs. Got Phil S2K, Dustin William, TJ Hunts, Sash. Yo, I keep up with all y'all because they look, more stuff popping up and the notifications right there. Oh, somebody just commented on one of my videos. Dope. Alright, anyway, I'm calling it good night right here. I'm ready to go home. I'm ready to edit this video. And tomorrow, hopefully I drive home. So, another vlog coming up when we finish it. It's actually late too. It's like 10 o'clock, I think. Damn, it's actually 11 o'clock. So, on that note, let's get up out of here. And I'll catch you guys on the next vlog.
This is a Thatkidj production.